Hello everyone, I'm Mustafa Özdoğan and I'm studying Electrical Electronics Engineering in Bilkent University, and this is my Physics 102 final project video. So my experiment aims to study the EMF induced by a finite length solenoid. The equations I used in this project is mainly derived from Biot-Savart law. So I chose infinitesimal points along the loops, and then integrating over the one loop and then the solenoid, I derive this equation, and then using it I find the theoretical values, and then I move on to the experiment parts. The equipment I used in this project are an oscilloscope, enameled copper wire to build the solenoid and the loops, and a power supply and PVC pipe for the solenoid again. Then I needed a second system for the flux change. I used a small circuit with potentiometer to control the angular velocity of the DC motor and a DC motor, as I said. Now, the procedure with this equipment was to first building the solenoids. Now, I constructed multiple solenoids because the loop number was affecting the results too much and causing problems. After the solenoid was built, then I implemented the loops, with one of them having 16 loops, one of them 20 loops, and the last one 25 loops. After that, I attached these loops to DC motor respectively. Then, using the DC motor and the power supply, I rotated it near the solenoid. First, I need to explain you the data from the solenoid. Now, as I said, the loop number is 200, and the current through it is, as you see, near 2 amperes. And now this table 2 represents the values I measured for each loop. The number 1 represents the 16 loop, and the second one 20 loops, and the third one 25 loops. Now, as you see, the values deviated from the expected results considerably high, but the average error percentage is 23.1, and these are the graphs for the results I obtained. In conclusion, the experiment aimed to study the EMF induced by a finite length solenoid on a loop, and the values were obtained even though there is an error percentage average of near 20. The experiment was successful. To increase the accuracy of the results, I think more experienced and more better accurate instruments is crucial, because in my experience the experiment included a lot of trying method, because a change in one thing affected many things, and since everything is at milli levels, such as millivolts and milliteslas, separating the data from the noise is considerably difficult. So with better environments and better measurement systems, the experiment could be better. Thank you for listening.